My Ford guys, I might need your assistance on this. We got a 2024 F-150 with a 5-liter Coyote engine. Listen to this. Sounds like a knock, almost sounds like a diesel. So we're looking through tech notes and look what we found here. Knocking noise at idle, which we have. So here's what they say. A vehicle equipped with this engine exhibits a light to moderate knocking noise at idle, which is sometimes described as a quiet diesel. This is a little more louder than a quiet diesel. But here's the thing. It says that no repairs, real fast. This is an operating characteristic of the engine and no repairs should be attempted. Now, I don't think that's what we have because we also have these codes here. And also when we accelerate, the noise goes away. So this is a strange one for us. We don't know